Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Redmi 12. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being right here on the bottom, that's your main speaker, and the next one is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. Now we're gonna cover each of the speaker with our fingers. And if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which would mean that this device doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.